Hi guys, in today's video we are going to do something very beautiful and interesting. We are going to distribute seeds to the schools that we are going to work with, and this project that we are working on is sponsored by Vegtables and Afri-Foods program, and its purpose is to promote nutrition in school-going children and also promote urban farming. We are going to teach children how to plant these things at school so that they can take that very knowledge to their homes and be able to change the community, change the nutrition. Yeah, because most of our schools, they have just one uniform like meals. They take beans and posho. And so Vegtables and Afri-Food Links program, they saw it very necessary and very important to support these schools by buying every input, tools and everything that we are going to use in the establishment of these gardens to the schools. They have really done a great work and a great job, and we are extending our sincere gratitude to those people for entrusting us with this project and also sponsoring these schools with everything they needed. So we are going to carry you along as we are doing this project. We shall show you different schools, different things that we are going to put in different schools. We are going to get to work together with our children. We are going to impact them, give them these skills so that they can be able to go home and teach their parents so that we improve on their nutrition of the people in our community and also promote urban farming so that even someone living in town without land can be able to plant things around their homes. So this is going to climax with an event where we are going to have debates, exhibitions, and the winner among the 10 schools is going to be rewarded. This is going to be massive and interesting. You don't have to miss that. So watch out on this channel, subscribe, love the videos, share, leave a comment for us about how you feel about the project, and yeah, let's get started. So let me show you the different types of vegetables that we are going to plant around our city in Bale, in the 10 schools that were selected. Yeah, so stick around. So we are going to plant pumpkin. You see, these are the seeds that we are going to give the schools. We are going to plant tomatoes. This is very interesting, guys. We are going to plant for them tomatoes. We are going to plant eggplants. As you can see, eggplant is here. We are also going to plant kale. Do you know kale? This is the called sukumawiiki. It has curls. If you have not seen it, I'm going to show you on the screen. So we are going to plant collards. Oh, the Kenyans call it sukumawiiki. This is what we are going to plant as well. We are going to plant amaranthus, red amaranthus. This is buga in our local language, but most of you know it if you've been watching my videos. This is spider plant. It is very sweet, and we are going also to plant it for the schools. We have these are spring onions. We are also going to plant spring onions for the schools. Yeah, so far these are very many vegetables that we are going to put in their compounds. They are going to serve as flowers as well as food. We want to improve on the nutrition of the schools and also give these children skills, hands-on skills, support their new curriculum, and also be able to learn how to grow these things around their homes. So this is going to be very interesting. We shall take you through the whole journey. We are going to work with you. Yeah, stay tuned. I believe you're going to be very excited. So we are here trying to divide up the things into 10 schools, and the lady you see there in the video is our founder at Gem Agri Initiatives. We establish kitchen gardens, backyard gardens, beautiful things in your compound, landscaping. We do trainings. We teach your children, even adults, on how to make beautiful kitchen gardens. So our number is in the bio. Please go check it out. If you want these services, we are going to just do for you in your school, in your hotel, even in your individual home. So please don't miss out this chance. So a very special shout out to Vegtables and Afri-Food Links program. They put in all the money to buy all these seeds, and each school is going to get
a lot of seeds, guys. So we are going to go ahead and work together with the schools and make sure that we establish the gardens and at least teach them on how to sustain those gardens, like giving them those skills to the children. Most of the schools, actually all of the schools that they selected are purely government schools. Those schools struggle with food. Some of the children don't eat at school. Some of them cannot afford. So we hope that this project is going to be really impactful to the lives of these young children and also help in changing their mindset about farming and also urban farming in general. Most of the schools are in the city, in the middle of town. Some of them do not have big lands, but we are going to see how we can work together and use their compounds, their backyards to put something that is edible, that can, boost in the nutrition of the school going children and also the teachers, the community. We think that this is going to impact a lot of people in the community. Thank you so much for watching. In the next part of the video, we shall show you also other inputs that we are going to supply, and that will include fertilizers, pesticides, charcoal dust, manure. Everything that we are going to use in school has been paid for. Really, we are really grateful. So we are going to work together. This is a video that you should like, share, enjoy.
So we are here and we're going to deliver these things. So we are delivering seeds first, and then we shall take fertilizers, manure, hose, everything that is needed in the garden. So today we are just taking seeds first. I will show you everything as we have organized it. So we are here and we're going to the very first school. We have about 8 primary schools and 2 secondary schools here in Bale City, and we shall show you all. So
products, and then we shall let you know as the project begins. Thank you.